Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing an application called SWYPE Keyboard. Basically you just speak to your phone and then it will type it for you. So as you can see, you can type, you can swipe, and yeah, it's dark, but actually I tried to type fuck, but it doesn't matter. So now let's try to speak. You just, hello, speak, I'm speaking. Oh shit, I have to change the languages first. So let's go to English. Hello, tap, then start to speak. Hello everyone, I'm speaking. Quite accurate, isn't it? You should feel what I feel. You should feel what I feel. You should take what I take. Okay, let's try Chinese. 你好，大家好，大家好，喂，你好，这个是非常好的 application， 我真的喜欢用这个。甜蜜蜜，你笑的甜蜜蜜。Okay. Let's try another languages, which is Thai language. Oh, I haven't tried this yet. 我买了一个表。少你买了一个币。Languages. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับทุกๆคนผมรักทุกๆคนนะครับ Oh my god ดีใจจังเลยนะครับวันนี้ได้มาอยู่เมืองไทยแล้ว อยู่เมืองไทยได้ไม่นานประเทศไทยก็จะเดินหน้าต่อไปแล้วนะอยู่ดีๆจะมาอย่างนี้ได้ยังไงท่านกำลังเข้าสู่บริการรับฝากหัวこんにちはこんにちはこんにちはおはようございますこんばんはお元気ですかはあひばりくでしたかね痛い痛い行く行く行く行く行く Oh, really good application, isn't it? Let's try Koreans. 안녕하세요. 어서 오십시오. 그럼 뭡니까? 오빠 사랑해. 왜 이래 진짜 미국에서 온지 얼마 됐어? 한국말을 잘못해? 괜찮아? So basically, this will help you make your life easier, as you doesn't have to type it and then just speak it, and then someone who doesn't want to send a voice record, just speak to your phone, and then this application will help you type everything for you. Thank you for watching.